Hi guys, it's Miss Lindsay here. So today I am outside because we're going to be talking about nature artist Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy is a British artist. He is a photographer, a sculptor, and an environmentalist. He's known for his beautiful nature sculptures. They could be either really large or really tiny, and he only uses what he finds in nature. He could use rocks, twigs, flowers, leaves, whatever he finds in nature is what he uses to create his artwork. Here are some amazing examples of his work. Much of Andy Goldsworthy's artwork is very fragile and won't last long. A lot of his art pieces are made outside, so over time they're going to fall apart. But he uses his photography skills and the lighting to capture his beautiful art pieces. So this is your challenge for the week. Go outside and create a nature art piece inspired by nature. Gather your supplies. They could be twigs, rocks, flowers, leaves, anything in nature you can use, and create an art piece. It could be inspired by Andy Goldsworthy's art, or you can be completely creative and come up with your own design. Just remember to snap a picture of your artwork so I can see your amazing creations. Your designs can be as detailed as you want, or they can be as simple as you want. It's your artwork, it's totally up to you.